Hey guys, so you already know what time it is when you see me looking like this. We are doing our hair today. I am installing this wig from Julia Hair, and these are the necessities that you will get in your package when you received your wig. So I am using this transparent lace wig. This is a 13 by 4 Kinky Straight wig. Mine is in 24 inches, so I'm just showing you guys what the wig looked like soon as I got it because I did end up bleaching the knots. So that's what you'll see right here. This is after I've washed and bleached the knots already. So I'm going in with like this wig grip headband situation. I did flat iron the roots on this wig prior to me putting it on, just so it's already like nice and flat on my head. And y'all, this wig is so beautiful. It's a lot of hair. It's kinky straight. I'm not sure the density on this unit, but I'll be sure to list it in the description box for you. So I'm just trying it on, seeing how I like it, and I love this. I think I did such a good job straightening the roots and bleaching the knots. um Y'all, that is a task in itself, and it's so scary, like watching your wig literally like cook to make sure you don't over bleach the knots. But anyways, I'm just cutting off the excess lace on this unit. The hairline on this wig is a little different. Y'all already know I have like a low hairline, but this one worked out perfect for me. As you can see, like, of course I'm not gonna hairspray the sides down. I'm just gonna do like the front part just to keep it in place. And I really like this hairspray because it holds, but it's not gonna give you like that super hard crunchy hold like Gots to Be spray. So I can easily like peel this off at the end of the day when I'm ready to take it off, and I don't have to like use a bunch of water, you know. So I'm just blow drying this on a cool setting, and then I'm also using this really stretchy spandex, which I think is so smart for them to start including in the packages, and it helps tremendously. Do y'all see how flesh? First of all, the lace is transparent. The lace is so thin. Like, this is probably one of the best lace that I've had on a wig in a while. So kudos to you, Julia. So yeah, I'm just brushing through the wig, getting all the tangles out. Again, this is freshly washed and air dried hair. I don't think I blow dried this unit, so I'm just showing you the texture of it because I am about to sit down and straighten this hair out. Y'all know I love kinky textured hair. Like, it's probably my number one go-to. Like, I want everybody's kinky straight hair. I feel like I've said that already, so y'all already know that. But yeah, I am straightening this hair on 450 degrees. I think I even went up to 475. I'm not 100% sure, but I turned the settings up on this flat iron to get this hair nice and straight. So all I'm going to do is sit here and straighten this hair, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm just giving you a comparison from a flat iron side versus the natural side, and then both sides straightened. So this is the final look. I'm just going in with some more hairspray just to tame the flyaways. And this is the John Frieda Frizz Ease hairspray. It's like a medium hold, so it's not a strong cold hairspray at all. And then here's what it looks like. This is 24 inches and it's pretty long on me. And then I'm just going in with a little powder foundation to the lace so it can blend in with my skin. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Julia's hair information in the description box, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.